Welcome back. So today in this lecture will be discuss the file upload through screen flow within a single screen. In the previous lecture, we discussed that upload a file through a screen flow, but I will in the previous lecture it was two screens. Firstly, you have to create a record, then after that upload a single file as discussed earlier. But in this lecture, we will discuss that within a single screen, that is within a data input, upload, you have to upload an attachment, and then when you hit save, it create a record with that attachment also. How to do this? So today we will discuss in this how to achieve this functionality in ScreenFlow. So here is it is my org. I go to click on setup, and in the quick find box search flow. Click on this flow. Go to new flow and select the start from scratch. That is this. Click on next and then create. Okay. So here is the canvas section, and in the plus icon click on screen flow, and let's take the example of the lead object we want to create a, as we discussed earlier. For the upload a file through screen flow to lead object, in the same scenario will be discussed, but I will not adding the two screen, I will adding the one screen only. So firstly text, click on this, that is last name. This is required. Then after that, number field for the phone number. Leave it. Let's take text for as a number, phone number also. Okay, no issues. You have to number. Then after that, text field for the company, and then email. Okay, code is equal to true. Got it? अब इसके बाद क्या करना है मुझे कि नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन क्लिक ऑन डन करने के बाद फिर रिकॉर्ड बनाओ और नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पर जाओ. नो, दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. मैं इसी स्क्रीन पर मुझे अपलोड अ फाइल भी चाहिए, साथ में वो अटैचमेंट भी अपलोड कर सके. ओके, लाइक दिस. लेट्स टेक अ सेक्शन so that you can able to understand this very easily. Let's take a section for that. In this section, you have to upload a file. Okay. And let's in the include header, file upload. Okay. And in this header, you have to upload a file. Upload. Okay. Here's a page name. No problem. Just label it as upload. Okay. And file upload. Okay. So yeah, this is done. File upload, screen flow. This is all about. Okay. So let's take screen, label its name screen flow with attachment. Okay. Click on done. I'm sorry. After this, what you have to do, click on plus icon, but just after that you have to create a record. For that you have to label an input like company name, last name, email and phone number. You have to create that record. Okay, this is just for getting the lead ID, just for getting the ID of that record. How when you want to give some input and when you hit save, it creates the record that you got the ID of this. So want to create the record, create lead ID. Okay, so how to set record from manually, and lead, select lead, company name, this is company, select search company, last name, search last name, and whatever this phone number and phone number. Okay, and the last one email. Number, email, value. Okay, I think I added only number. Okay, they were it, that's phone number, phone. Okay, no issues. Just copy this number. Go to lead ID, create record, and number, phone. Okay, अब यहाँ तक तो कोई इशू नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि पीछे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने इतना ही किया था. बट उसी अब नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन में हमने नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन में था. बट you have to create a for loop over there, so that you have to create the attach the file with that creation of record. It means that आपकी जो आईडी बनी, जब क्रिएट हुई तो आपकी जो आईडी बनी, उस आईडी को हम स्टोर कराएंगे एंड उस आईडी को अटैचमेंट के साथ क्रिएट कराएंगे. लाइक दिस मैं दिखा रहा हूँ कैसे. जस्ट क्रिएट अ लूप through files, label its name as file. Okay, loop through file, collection variable where screen flow with attachment, then file upload, then your like content document ID, select the content document ID. Okay, screen flow, file upload, then content document ID. First two item, got it, correct. Then after that, after the looping of the your file document, how many files you have to upload on that looping part, then immediately it creates the record of that content document link. Create content document link. Okay, so from the record where you have to set it manually, content, got it, content document link, and it is content document ID and content document link entity ID. Got it? After that, in the content document ID, just select the current ID loop through file, and link entity ID, select the lead ID from in the link entity ID किस पे लिंक जाएगा, वो जो तुम्हारी डॉक्यूमेंट बनी वो किस लिंक आईडी में जाएगा. वो आईडी जाएगा क्रिएट ऑल आईडी, जो आपने इस आईडी में एक आईडी जनरेट किया होगा. ओके, तो वो लिंक एंटिटी आईडी. और कंटेंट डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी जो करंट आप लूपिंग में चला रहे हो, जो कंटेंट डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी इस लूपिंग में चला रहे हो, उसके अंदर जो आईडी उसकी होगी वो उसके अंदर जाएगा, कंटेंट डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी. गॉट माय पॉइंट? ओके, सो या ओके, देन जस्ट click on this. I have to allow multiple files also, and I have to attach the document also. But click on this, allow multiple files, yes, and I want display text in the message. Okay, what message? File upload name. Okay, just replace the how many files are to be uploaded, and just click on this. Just click on this file upload, and file upload. File upload and file upload names. Okay, just make it bold. Change the color to something red. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Click on save. File upload with single screen. Name it is file upload with single screen. Click on activate. Okay, let's test this. Go to home button, click on edit page. Go to flow. Tag this component. Rename this account name the file upload with single screen. Click on save. Go back. ठीक है, ये आ गया. ओके, फैंटास्टिक. अब लीड सेक्शन में ये थोड़ा सा इंटेलिजेंस व्यू, मैं इसको चेंज कर रहा हूँ इंटेलिजेंस व्यू को. ठीक है, टू चेंज द इंटेलिजेंस व्यू विद अ नॉर्मल स्क्रीन, गो टू सेटअप एंड यहाँ पर आप लीड इंटेलिजेंस व्यू सेटअप है, इसको खोलना एंड जस्ट ऑफ दिस. ओके, जस्ट रिफ्रेश दिस पेज. इंटेलिजेंस व्यू आपको रिमूव हो गया. ओके, जस्ट रिफ्रेश दिस वंस अगेन आल्सो. या, इंटेलिजेंस व्यू आपका रिमूव हो गया. ओके, so cut this. Okay, let's test the file upload with single screen. Last name, that is test Abhishek. Phone number my is this. Company name is XYZ. Q Abhi 3443@gmail.com and upload your file name. That is, I have to allow multiple files. I have attached two documents. That is this and this. Let's take another, that is payroll. Oh my god. This and payroll. Okay. Let's take this. No problem. Okay. Let's add another, that is payroll. Payroll FAQ. No issues. It will be like minus drop if. Just give me a second, bro. Attach this and this. This. Okay. Yeah. Just save this. Okay. Data table, document, and payroll. Okay, these are to be uploaded, and when I hit next, it means that it will be uploaded for the. Just a second, next पे क्यों आ रहा है? सेव होना चाहिए ना. create loop through ID. ये तो next पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. Just give me a second, guys. Go to footer. Configure footer. Previous. Pause button. Use a custom label. Just save. Okay. Okay. Save as and save. Click on activate. फिर से रीचेक करते हैं. Refresh this page. या सेव. अब ठीक है. अभिषेक टेस्ट. Phone number this. Company name XYZ. Anyway, okay, just upload file names. Select, select. Okay, open. If we'll upload all the 3 files and it's done. Okay, just click on save. Okay, it will be saved. Click go to lead tab. Check here, Abhishek text. It is created just a while second ago. Click on details tab. And yeah, dial 696 the phone number, Abhishek XYZ, Abhishek09, Abhishek09 that is gmail.com. And here with the attachment of 3 files which I have uploaded. So this is how you can upload a file, just create a record with attachment also. This is how you can do like this. And in this file upload, in the previous lecture it was discussed about file upload through screen flow. It will be 2 screens, that is firstly create a record, then after that you have to upload a file. And in the next in this video we will discuss within a single screen how to create a record. After that you have to upload a file within a single screen. So this is how you can do that. I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries or comment, just wrote down the comment in the comment section and I will be ready to resolve your query. So thank you guys.